Hello, welcome to my channel Keep Learning with SK. Today we see social study of class 7th from SCERT of Telangana state. The lesson name is Rain and River. It is divided into two parts. This is the first part of the lesson. We will see in the first part of the lesson what are the things are there. We will be discuss about water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, humidity, winds and clouds, Telangana rainfall, monsoon and rain guard in this part 1. Now we will be start with the water. When we ask any small kid where we get the water from, he will simply answer from the tap. But what is the main source of water? The main source of water is rain. And other sources of water we will see like lakes, ponds, sea and ocean are the sources of water. 71% of the earth's surface is covered with the water. Okay, in the ocean. Water continues changes its form and circulated between ocean, atmosphere and land. For example, water will be changed into a form of gas, solid and liquid also, which we will be seeing in the water cycle. Now you can see water cycle. You all studied in your early classes about the water cycle. Water cycle is a process by which water changes its form and flows between ocean to atmosphere and atmosphere to land. Process of water cycle. Process of water cycle we will see first evaporation. You all know what is called evaporation. See here. When the sun get heated, the water bodies. When the sun will be heated, the lakes, rivers, streams and all this, they will be formed into a gas form. This gas form is called evaporation. Okay. This gas form is called the evaporation. Next, condensation. Condensation, water steams in the air and get cooler. And it will be go up. It will be the water vapor will get cooler and change it into a in the form of liquid to clouds. It will be changed into a form of cloud. It will change it into the form of clouds, which is called the condensation. When that will be cooled down, when it will be cooled down in the precipitation, when the air cannot hold it, condensation, water, the clouds will not hold it, the water capacity or the capacity, then the clouds get heavy and fall as a rainfall on the earth in the form of rain, snow and hills. Okay, the clouds get heavy and it will be fall in the form of rainfalls, and again the water will come to rivers, lakes and ocean. Next we will see humidity. Humidity is the amount of invisible which we can't able to see. Invisible means which we can't able to see. Water vapor is also a form of water vapor only in the gas form, which can't able present in the atmosphere is called the humidity. And mostly humidity will be when the temperature is high. Humidity or temperature will be high. When the temperature here humidity become high, we will be feel very uncomfortable. Okay, we will feel sweaty, very uncomfortable. We observe sweat does not evaporate. The sweat in our body, it will be not evaporate from our body very quickly and we feel very sticky. Okay, mostly we will see in this picture how the humidity was. When the humidity will be lesser, all the things will get dry away. When there is a more humidity will be there, it will be have the water, and mostly humidity is found in the plants and animals because they are outside. So you can see in the early morning when you get up, you will go outside, you will see in any leaf The water will be stay on the leaves. Like this picture you can see, the water will be on the leaves. That is called the humidity, which is a small example of humidity. Next, winds and clouds. Okay, clouds are formed all over the sky for the reason that the evaporation take place all over the earth. Okay, the what is the mean that the evaporation will be take place all over the earth. Everywhere the evaporation will take place. It may be a land, it may be a river, it may be a plateau, or any region. It may be evaporation will be take place, but mostly the evaporation will be take place in the ocean. That's why mostly the clouds are formed in the oceans only. Okay, when the wind will be blow, the clouds will become to the land, and it will be become heavy, and it will be fall as a rain. I hope you understand. So mostly the evaporation will be take place in the oceans, and the clouds mostly make in the form in the oceans only. But by the wind, the clouds will be transformed. However, it is on the surface of the ocean that maximum evaporation and clouds will be formed take place. It's rain heavily on the ocean, even though the ocean are huge water bodies. Okay, the oceans are the huge water bodies. They will be from one extent to another extent. It means the thousand of kilometers. The oceans are big having, which are from the thousand of kilometers. Cloud also travel in the island with the help of winds to bring the rain. Rainfalls in Telangana region. As we know, temperature is high in the month of March and June. Telangana region. The southwest monsoon sets around the beginning of June. In the beginning of June, we will mostly find the rain, which will be come from the southwest monsoon. The winds carry the cloud and reaches to Telangana. Winds will be southwest monsoon. Winds will bring the rain in the Telangana, which will be very normal rain. Northeastern part receive heavily rainfall. You can see in the Telangana map, northeast monsoon will receive heavy rainfall. These two regions will be heavily rainfall. That's why here you can see in the map 100 centimeter and above rainfall will be received in this area. And now you can see red color is the plateau region where is a very less rainfall will be follow, and here you can see minimum rainfall will be follow in the plain region. Now we will see plateaus. Large area in plateau receive low rainfalls. Okay, I saw you now in the map the red color. The red color will showing the very less rainfall in the Telangana, which is mostly found in Mahbubnagar and Joglamba districts, where we find very less rainfall. Now mountain range. The mountain range like the Western Ghats in India map. Okay, you can see this is called Western Ghat, this is called Eastern Ghat, this is called Western Ghat, this is called Eastern Ghat. Okay, in this area we will be have the rainfalls mostly because it is near to the ocean. Monsoon rainfalls may be in the month of May to October. Okay, monsoon rainfalls are in the month of May to October, and sometime it will be bring the cyclone also, because it will be blow from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, and sometime it will not bring also. Sometime when it will bring the rainfall, as a cyclone will come, and the monsoon also join it with it. Okay, when monsoon and cyclone will come together, it will be give heavy rainfall and it will be cause heavy damage also. Northwest monsoon are also called repeating monsoon, because it will be repeating. It will go to the south to north and north to south it will come. The direction will be reverse. The wind direction will be reverse. Now it is come from the northeast. It will be fall in the month of October. Okay, we will see the rainfall will be come in the month of October or November. Now we will be study about the little bit detail about the monsoon. In monsoon, it is a periodical seasonal wind. It blows from the sea to land, and in other season it I receive back in the next season. There are the two branches of the monsoon wind. One is blowing from the Arabian Sea and other is from the Bay of Bengal. This wind comes all over the way from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. They are called the monsoon wind, well known as the southwest monsoon. This wind blow only in summer season. Okay, we will be see about it. You can see these are the southwest monsoon, which will be blow from the Arabian Sea, which will be come in the month of May. Okay, summer season. Sometime it will be bring the cyclone also. And another is northern monsoon, when the wind direction will be changed. This is called the northeast monsoon. Now in this picture you can see northeast monsoon will be in the month of October and March. In India map it is showing the direction also. And southwest monsoon, it is going upward direction from the Indian Ocean to southwest monsoon in the month of April and September. Now we will be see rain gauge. Rain gauge, an instrument by which the rainfall is measured. It is the instrument which we will measure the rainfall. The amount of rainfall for a unit, it will be calculated as a unit, is measured in the centimeters. When it's rain, the water level in the rain gauge rises up and measure with the scale in centimeters. Okay, will we understand much in the picture. You can see here. Here we will be throw in the bottle. We will cut it down and throw some of the stones. Here is the water level which will be put it on the rain, in the rain, and the level of the water is calculated by the scale in centimeters, by which we will come to know how much the rainfall will be getting. So like this we will calculate the rainfall, measure the rainfall. Thank you. Watch my next video, part 2, rains and rivers.